Hey guys, welcome to vtshacademy.com. Today in this presentation, we are going to solve an example on independent theorem in the binomial expansion. So here we have a binomial term 3x minus 5 divided by x square whole power 9. Now let us compare this with the binomial term x minus y whole power n. We get the values of n as 9, x is 3x, and we get the value of y as 5 divided by x square. So we know that the general term in the expansion of x minus y whole power n is given by tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power r into ncr into x power n minus r y power r. Now let us substitute the values of n, x and y. In the formula we get minus 1 whole power r into 9cr into 3x whole power 9 minus r into 5 divided by x square into power r. So this we can write as minus 1 whole power r into 9cr, 3 power 9 minus r into x power 9 minus r into 5 power r divided by x power 2 into r is here 2r. So this would come as minus 1 whole power r 9cr into 3 power 9 minus r into x power 9 minus r into 5 power r into 1 by x power 2r can be written as x power minus 2r. Now let us simplify the x terms. So we get this as minus 1 whole power r into 9cr into 3 power 9 minus r into 5 power r. Here we observe that the bases are equal, so powers should be added. So on adding we get x power 9 minus r minus 2r. So this would come as minus 1 whole power r into 9cr 3 power 9 minus r into 5 power r into x power 9 minus r minus 2r would be 9 minus 3r. So to find the independent term, the power of x must be equated to 0. So we have the power of x here as 9 minus 3r is equal to 0. Now let us transfer minus 3r to the other side. We get 9 is equal to 3r. So by transferring 3 to the other side, we get r is equal to 9 divided by 3. On simplifying, we get 3 one time is 3 and 3 times is 9. So we get the value of r as 3. On substituting the value of r as 3, we get here minus 1 whole cube into 9c3 into 3 power 9 minus 3, 5 cube into x power 9 minus 3 into 3. So we get here the value of minus 1 whole cube as minus 1 into 9c3 into 3 power 9 minus 3 is here 6 into 5 cube, and we get the value of x power 9 minus 3 into 3, which is nothing but x power 9 minus 9. So we get the value of x power as 0. So therefore the constant term, which is nothing but the independent term of the expansion 3x minus 5 divided by x square would come as minus 9c3 into 3 power 6 into 5 cube. So this was a basic introduction on how to find the independent term in the binomial expansion. Hope you liked the presentation. Refer to more videos on binomial theorem on our website vtshacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.